Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix tax-free investments with Vanguard easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Vanguard website. If you do not already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you have an existing account, enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, locate the Invest section in the main navigation menu. In the Invest section, find the Tax-Free Investments option. Click on this option to explore available tax-free investment products. Review the different types of tax-free investments offered, such as municipal bonds and tax-exempt funds. Select the investment that best meets your financial goals and risk tolerance. After selecting an investment, click on the Invest button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest. Enter the desired investment amount carefully. Next, review any investment options or strategies recommended by Vanguard. Make sure to read the details about fees and any associated risks. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on the Continue button. You will then review your order summary to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your investment is successful. To monitor your investment, return to the Vanguard dashboard to view your portfolio. Make sure to periodically check your investments and adjust as needed. For additional support, visit the FAQ section or contact Vanguard customer service if you have questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.